Yan, salamat. Steady po.
Steady lang,
Steady
sir.
sir.
Sa kanan mo, sir. Wait lang.
Lang, sir.
Sabi isa lang yung tatlong yan po.
Brain dilig isa. Walang
Good afternoon to our friends from the media. Today, the Office of the Ombudsman has approved a review resolution that has caused the immediate filing of criminal sets of information before the Sandigan Bayan against Senator Jose Jinggoy Estrada, former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan, and several local DPWH engineering officials. Following a rigorous and independent evaluation of the investigation forwarded to us by the NBI DOJ Public Works and Bid Rigging Task Force, our office found probable cause to indict the principal respondents for plunder under Republic Act 7080 and violations of Section 3E of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act under Republic Act number 3019. Charged alongside Senator Estrada and former Secretary Bonoan are local engineering officials from the National Capital Region. Assistant District Engineer Denril Cesar S. Cortuna and District Engineers Manny B. Bulusan and Arturo L. Gonzalez Jr. The cases stem from an intricate mechanism involving illegal budgetary insertions and project allocations within the DPWH infrastructure portfolio for fiscal year 2025. Our evaluation shows that substantial public funds were deliberately funneled into designated infrastructure projects in exchange for predetermined commission fees or kickbacks. Case records point to an accumulated sum of illicit payouts amounting to an aggregate sum of over 573 million pesos, which were systematically delivered to the principal respondent, Senator Jinggoy Estrada. The office acknowledges that the LBRMO, Legislative Budget Research and Monitoring Office, has issued a certificate regarding the absence of documented initiation of budget insertions by the respondent. However, this certificate does not capture all stages of the budgetary process, wherein insertions may be made in a layered method. I would also like to clarify the status of the other individuals originally named in the complaint. The charges against former DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cathy E. Cabral are formally dismissed by reason of her passing, pursuant to the revised penal code. Meanwhile, former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto R. Bernardo, former NCR Regional Director Gerard P. Opulencia, and former Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry C. Alcantara have been formally excluded from the criminal sets of information filed. This is in view of their official admission into the Department of Justice's Witness Protection Program under Republic Act 6981. I want to emphasize that this is very clear. Our case is built on solid, immovable evidence. These state witnesses have provided comprehensive, cross-corroborated sworn statements that map out the execution of this scheme from its inception down to the logistics of the illicit payouts. As for our next steps, the criminal sets of information are now being formally docketed before the Sandigan Bayan. Following standard judicial procedure, we anticipate the immediate raffling of the case to determine which specific division of the anti-graft court will handle the trial. Once assigned, the designated division will conduct its own independent judicial evaluation of the records. If the Honorable Court finds probable cause, we anticipate the subsequent issuance of warrants of arrest against the principal respondents. The Office of the Ombudsman has recommended no bail for the respondents in this case. Likewise, the office will pursue whole departure orders for the respondents so as to preserve the integrity of the case in court. The Office of the Ombudsman is determined to pursue all cases still pending. We have one shot to get these cases right. The Filipino people need to see justice. This office is here to make sure we deliver just that. Maraming salamat at magandang hapon po sa lahat. I will not be entertaining any questions as of this moment, but we will make sure to publicize any developments as they come.
Sir, can you seek shelter? Can you seek shelter sa Senate? Ayaw.